Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study English for MTS. Start by building a strong foundation in English. Focus on understanding basic grammar rules, including tenses and sentence formation. Dedicate time each day to learning new vocabulary. Aim for about 10 to 15 words. Regularly read various materials, such as newspapers and magazines, to improve your comprehension skills. This consistent effort will significantly enhance your overall English proficiency for the MTS exam. Now, let's dive deeper into grammar and vocabulary. Actively identify and correct common grammatical mistakes through targeted exercises. For vocabulary, use flashcards and create memorable associations to help new words stick. Make it a daily habit to solve around 20 grammar questions and 20 vocabulary questions. This focused practice will solidify your understanding and recall, preparing you for the exam's demands. Next, focus on mastering reading comprehension and writing. Practice reading passages and answering questions within a set time limit to build speed and accuracy. Regularly engage with sentence rearrangement and cloze test exercises, which are crucial for the MTS exam. Also, dedicate time to writing short paragraphs or summaries. This will refine your ability to express ideas clearly and concisely, boosting your overall score. Finally, it's time for mock tests and thorough revision. Take at least one full-length English mock test every week to get accustomed to the exam environment and time constraints. After each test, carefully analyze your results to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Dedicate your final days to revising all grammar rules and vocabulary lists. This comprehensive approach will ensure you are well prepared and confident on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.